Everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Crafts Designs. I'm coming by today with a video for BondCraftor. This is just going to be the unboxing. They contacted me about a week ago about trying out some of their products, more of their products. I've already tested out and really love the BondCraftor 1-to-1 epoxy resin. It's my favorite right now. But this is for the silicone rubber. They actually sent me 6 products to try, so this one is the 15A silicone rubber. Now it does have on the back some personal protection information, first aid information, and some storage information. Fast curing, bubble free, flexible, and low viscosity. Got the instruction manual, sheet, card, whatever you want to call it. See, 15A hardness for curing, after curing, sorry. Core advantages, applicable scenes, precautions, storage conditions, easy to use. It's got a recommended container types, how to clean residual silicone gel in the container, how to avoid bubbles, mix, pour, and wait. Let's see. It has a 3 to 6 hour demold at room temperature. Great information in there. This is a little bag of mixed seed beads. I don't know what these are going to be for, but I'll use them one way or the other. 2 graduated measuring cups, gloves, and a couple of stir sticks. So we've got A and B. This is an equal part ratio A to B. Let's see. No other information on the bottle itself. So, looking forward to this. We're going to be making some molds. Alright, I want to thank y'all all so much for watching. I'm going to really keep these videos short so that they'll upload on my phone. Because, as we know, my phone, it's the battery. The battery doesn't last long enough to upload anything more than 5 minutes. It takes an hour to upload a 5-minute video. Crazy, I know. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that hype button. Bye for now.